Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a brand new 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 and we've installed two 40-inch M&R light bars. One is in white and one is in amber. I want to show you how do they compare to the factory low beams and high beams. So these are the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. This is a amber 40-inch light bar. And this is a white 40-inch light bar. So I'm going to turn it on and off so that way you guys can see how much additional light you get over the high beams. These are the high beams. This is the 40-inch slim light bar together with a amber slim light bar. So once again, this is the factory low beams. This is the factory high beams. This is a slim 40-inch light bar. It offers a combo beam pattern, which gives you a nice balance of distance as well as the width. High beams, 40-inch slim light bar. High beams, 40-inch amber light bar. Amber is good for bad weather conditions such as dust, snow, rain, or fog. It doesn't reflect at you like white light does. White light is good for night driving. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please tune in to our step-by-step instructions where I show you how easy it is to install these light bars onto your truck.